Hi guys, welcome to GrammatiX. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Welcome to the maths class. Today we'll be doing BODMAS. Now what do you mean by BODMAS? And where do we use that? Why it is used? Now BODMAS is an acronym. Okay. Now if you have two numbers and an operation, mathematical operation, it is easy for you to solve a problem. That means it is easy to calculate when there are only two numbers and one mathematical operation involved there. But if there are more than two operations or more than one operations involved in a calculation, then it is difficult to do the calculation according to your wish. It is difficult. That means the answer will be wrong. So BODMAS comes to help at that time. So you have an order to do the calculation. That order is the BODMAS. Now what is BODMAS? It is an acronym. Now B stands for brackets, O stands for off, D stands for division. This is your division symbol. M stands for multiplication. That is into. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. And now O stands for off, and that's what you do there is multiplication. But when off comes, that is when off comes in a question, it should be done before the division. Okay, that's multiplication only. Now brackets, when you're talking about brackets, you have four varieties of that. The first one is the bar bracket. The second one, that what you say it is as parenthesis. The third one is your curly brackets, and the fourth one is the square brackets. Now these are the brackets that we use. The first one is vinculum or bar bracket. This is the parenthesis, this is the curly bracket, and this is the square bracket. This is the how it is used also, from inner to outer. So this is the acronym BODMAS. This is the order we have to do the calculation. That means in a question, first you have to solve the brackets. Now it depends upon the question. If you have only multiplication, addition and subtraction in a question, you do the multiplication first, then go for the addition and end with subtraction. So it depends upon what are the things that are there in your question. So if it is only brackets, addition and subtraction, first you solve the bracket and then go for the addition and the subtraction. So this is the order of the way you have to calculate. That is brackets, of, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So we can just do 2 or 3 problems using this BODMAS rule. So we will start with 2 problems. The first one, it's given there, first problem. How do you do that here? Here you have operations division, addition and multiplication. So according to the BODMAS rule, division will be coming first. So we will be doing this. 6 divided by 2 is 3. That's equal to 3 plus 7 into 4. The next operation that we have to do is multiplication. So that is 3 plus 7 4s are 28. Then comes addition, that is 31. So this is your answer. Now this is your second question. So here there is your plus, you have a multiplication, you have brackets and you have division. Now here something I need to tell you is this one, power, exponents, square root, it all comes in the second step. That is when you are talking about BODMAS, it will be coming here, off. So O off, together with that you will be having your powers and you will be having your square roots. Okay, everything will be coming in O part, that is the second part just after brackets. So here you will be doing it. It is, you write the all as it is, 8 plus 8 square into 30 divided by 5. That's what it is inside the bracket. So it is 30 divided by 5 is 6. In the second step, you just open the powers. 8 square is 64 into 6. Then you will be doing the multiplication, that is 4 plus 384, that will be give you 388. That is your answer for this. So moving on to your next two questions that's on the board. So here all the brackets are involved here. That's your bar bracket, then parenthesis, then curly brackets, and then square brackets. So first you will be going with the innermost bracket. So you just write the rest of them as it is. So your innermost bracket is the bar. So 8 minus 6 plus 3 is 9, that we solve it. So this is going, it is vanished, that bar is there, not there now. So the rest you write as it is. Then your third step is you are going to solve this innermost one, that is 8 minus 9. You write the rest as it is. Don't try to solve the other things, you just write it as it is. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. Since it is a negative number, I have put again it in brackets there. So next step is innermost bracket, innermost one, that is writing the rest as it is. 4 minus of minus is plus 1. So your parenthesis is gone. Then curly brackets is the innermost, so you will be doing the curly brackets. 6 minus 5, that is 18, minus 6 minus 5 is 1, that's equal to 17. So 18 minus 1 gives you 17. This is how you solve the brackets. All the 4 brackets are here. This is how you solve the brackets. Now moving on to your fourth problem, that is you are having a off there. So that is your first one. So that becomes, that's equal to 8 plus 8 of 8, that is 8 into 8. Off is multiplication, that 8 into 8 is 64. Divided by 8 minus 8. Okay. Your next is a division. So 64 divided by 8 is 8 plus 8 minus 8. Then comes your addition, that is 16 minus 8, that's equal to 8. So this is including off there. So these are the 4 types of questions we did it regarding BODMAS. So BODMAS, it helps, it makes your calculations easier. You have to follow that order when you have more than one mathematical operations in your problem. You have to use the BODMAS rule and calculate your problems. And that's all for today. Thank you and bye.